Hello everybody, welcome back. I am the Exam Mastery host, your virtual guide to cybersecurity and the CompTIA CySA Plus journey. Whether you are prepping for the certification or are just curious about defending the digital world, you are in the right place. Every week we break down complex security topics into simple, actionable insights to help you grow as a cybersecurity analyst. Let's build your skills, boost your confidence, and stay ahead of threats together. If you find value here, consider subscribing and sharing your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing Nikto web scanner. It's another web scanner like Burp and Zap, right? Z attack proxy, right? What is Nikto? It's free and open source web server scanner designed to identify vulnerabilities, misconfigurations, and potential security issues in web servers and applications written in Perl and maintained by the open source community. Nikto performs over 6,700 tests to detect problems like outdated software, dangerous files, and insecure configuration. It's a go-to tool for cybersecurity analysts and penetration testers because it's fast, easy to use, and integrates well with other tools. Nikto isn't stealthy, it generates noticeable traffic, but it's perfect for authorized testing to find weaknesses before attackers do. What are these two links? Free Code Camp has a thing to them, right? Also, we have the Medium article, right? So, for example, here's the free Code Camp on how to actually use it. Right, it does, like they said, create noticeable traffic. So, it wouldn't be good to actually use it on a system that you don't have permission to use it on, right? And these are like, free Code Camp shows like a lot of the stuff. And what was the other one? The other one was Medium. So we have another one, which I can't read because I'm not going to log in, but that is the, like, free Code Camp is good for learning that stuff, right? Why Nikto matters for the CySA Plus. Pertains to Domain 2.2 Web Vulnerability Discovery, focuses on identifying security flaws in web servers and applications such as those running on Apache, Nginx, or IIS. Nikto is critical because it detects common vulnerabilities, finds issues like SQL injection, XSS, and misconfiguration, supports compliance, is cost-effective, and builds practical skills. Key features of Nikto: comprehensive vulnerability checks, 6,700 potential issues that it can look for. Flexible scanning, has like tuning options, right, to target specific XSS and SQL vulnerabilities, right? Reporting capabilities, you can export them in HTML, CSV, or XML documents to share with developers or auditors, right? Plugin-based architecture, we have the robots plugin checks for sensitive information in robots.txt, right? Integration with other tools. How to use Nikto for vulnerability. Let me fix that real quick. How to use Nikto for web vulnerability discovery. We have install Nikto, right? Run a basic scan with Nikto-H. Customize the scan, right? Analyze the results and remediate and document your findings and results. Best practices for Nikto scanning: get permission, limit scan impact, check for false positives, combine with other tools, update regularly, practice in labs. Why this matters for the CySA Plus. For the CySA Plus exam, you need to understand how to use Nikto to identify web server vulnerabilities, the role of open source tools in web vulnerability discovery, how to interpret Nikto's output and prioritize remediation, the connection between Nikto scans and compliance with standards like PCI DSS or OWASP, ZAP, right? Z attack proxy. Mastering Nikto equips you to secure web servers and excel in real-world cybersecurity roles. So it's just another tool that helps you identify vulnerabilities. And thank you everybody for watching. That is going to be it for this video. Please comment down below any of your questions or concerns. I really do enjoy reading through your comments. Thank you everybody for watching, and bye.